Welcome back. Now all tenant cases will be handled by the civil courts. Mamlatdar will hear only the Mundkar cases. Goa government has introduced amendments in Goa Agricultural Tenancy Act and Mundkar Act. The move will provide much relief to the tenants and Mundkars attending cases at Mamlatdar's office. Burden has been passed on to the civil courts. Courts will have to dispose of cases within 3 years. Altogether, there are 3,000 and odd Mundkarial cases pending with Mamlatdars across the state.
Amendment in Goa Agricultural and Mundkar Act will relieve a sizable workload from Mamlatdar offices, which are piled up with heavy backlog of Mundkar cases. Though Act amendment provides relief, Mamlatdars have a Herculean task of disposing more than 3,000 cases within 1 year. Mamlatdar offices across the state are already flooded with people applying for ration cards, revenue and residential certificates. Amendment in Tenancy and Mundkar Act will provide relief to such Mamlatdar offices battling deadlines. The amendment is as follows. Mundkars applying for ownership of land belonging to landlords, Mamlatdar office will have to dispose of such cases within 3 years. Court to decide on cases within 3 years pertaining to purchase and registration. Tenancy and Mundkar case hearings will be allowed adjournments only in case of medical emergencies. At present, there are 3,200 cases pending with the various Mamlatdars, Deputy Collector and Collector offices across the state. Some cases are pending since 2 decades. Now with the amendments, the pending for over 20 years will find a logical conclusion within 3 years, and Mamlatdars too also get some relief. Now civil court to hear tenancy cases instead of Mamlatdars. Applicant filing appeal will have to apply at District Collectorate office. Tenancy cases will further burden civil courts for sure, while on other side, Mamlatdars will get a relief. Government has introduced these amendments in Tenancy and Mundkar Act at the advantage of Mamlatdars, hoping that people applying for services like ration cards, income and residential certificates will get speedy services. Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
Mridula Sinha, the governor-designate, has landed in Goa. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, Tourism Minister Parulekar and government officials gave a rousing welcome to the governor-designate Mridula Sinha on Saturday afternoon. Mridula Sinha is accompanied with her husband Ram Kripal Sinha and family. Bombay High Court Chief Justice will administer the oath to Mridula Sinha as the governor of Goa on Sunday afternoon. Noted author Mridula Sinha is a former president of BJP Mahila Morcha. Panji police is likely to charge the headmistress of Taligaon-based Royal School Maria Zita Afonso in students' torture case. Prudent has also learned that Panji police will soon be filing a petition before the High Court seeking cancellation of anticipatory bail granted to the accused headmistress. Headmistress of Taligaon-based Royal School Maria Zita Afonso is likely to face charge sheet in the first week of September. Panji police has booked Maria Zita Afonso for torturing the school students. Charges of financial and administrative irregularities are also levelled against the accused headmistress. Prudent has also learned that Panji police will soon approach the High Court seeking cancellation of anticipatory bail granted to accused headmistress Maria Zita Afonso. Panji court has granted her anticipatory bail. Meanwhile, recommending to terminate Afonso from the post of headmistress, Goa State Commission for Protection of Child Rights in its order had observed that the accused is trying to influence the witnesses. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.